नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों को मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ. I welcome all the devotees, television viewers, Samajis, Satsangis for the Nitya Satsang. Before entering into the Satsang, I have to express my strong condolences and heartfelt prayers to all the devotees, Hindu pilgrims who have passed away in Kedarnath in the flood situation. Something like 65,000 people are stranded and only 10,000 are rescued so far. Around 5,000 are missing, so death toll may go up in thousands. 200 government and private lodges are covered almost in few hours by the flash flood and the cloud burst. Kedarnath temple, other than Garbha Mandir, nothing is left. Even the Garbha Mandir is submerged into slush, and the nature's fury is completely washed away Adi Shankaracharya's Samadhi. Adi Shankara's Samadhi is not even there now. And I express my deep prayers and strong condolences to all the people passed away. I pray to Mahadeva, Kedarnatha, to liberate all the souls who left the body in your vicinity, and we have also sent immediately our sannyasis. Turiyananda is already started working with other Hindu organizations which are working on giving relief works. But still we are not able to reach the place because there is no access. All the access is completely damaged, and all the temple staff and Sri Mahants, Naga Sadhus who were protecting the temple, taking care of all the jewels, gold, silver, all of them are missing. Not single one. Of course, there is very less chance any one of them can be alive because the whole thing is submerged. At least 20 feet height, the slush has covered, and the temple actually belongs to our Pita, Mahanirvani Pita, and the Shankaracharya's Samadhi belongs to Mahanirvani Pita. It's unfortunate. Just like last time when Amarnath devotees faced difficulties, Dhyanapidam pitched in and did relief work. Surely we will be doing relief work now, this time also. We'll be sending group of volunteers and lot of money, food, medicine, clothes, everything. Already I sent two of our sannyasis to study and immediately inform us so that whatever is required is sent. If you are experienced in working in these terrains and interested in volunteering there, you can send an email to our end sharing. Dhyanapidam will take the responsibility and send you as our team. But one thing, if you are not experienced, don't try to go out of enthusiasm, then somebody has to do relief work for you. Somebody has to attend to you. So only if you are trained to live in those terrains and help people, I request, send an email to n.sharing@nityananda.org. It's a worst tragedy Kedarnath temple faces. It is one of the Jyotirlingas. Not only the temple belongs to our sampradaya, one of the Jyotirlingas, and from the time of Mahabharata, this temple is well known. It's re-established by Adi Shankara, and Adi Shankara left the body there. Adi Shankara's samadhi is there. I sincerely pray to Kedarishwara to liberate all the souls who left the body. मैं पहले मेरा हार्दिक शोक और प्रार्थना व्यक्त करना चाहता हूँ केदारनाथ के यात्रियों के प्रति जो अचानक आई हुई बट के कारण हुआ। मैं केदारनाथ से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि सभी आत्माओं को शांति दे और मुक्ति प्रदान करे। जिन्होंने इस दुर्घटना में अपनी जान को दी, मैंने हमारी सन्यासियों को बीजा है स्थिति को समझने के और लोगों को बचाने और सेवा करने के लिए I'll enter into today's program, Nitya Satsang. I'll speak on karma and completions. I'll continue on karma and completions. ध्यान से सुनिए. Listen. as I defined yesterday, the incompletions you continue to carry is karma. Incompletions you continue to carry is karma. Listen. Every disease, I tell you, if you continuously complete, many psychosomatic diseases will not even start in your system, can be completely avoided, like diabetes, blood pressure. Many of these psychosomatic disorders won't even start. The incompletions you carry in your system is powerful enough not only to create disorders in the body, it can create disorders, permanent disorders in the mind. जो अपूर्णता आप अपने भीतर रखते हैं वही कर्म है। यदि आप हर क्षण पूर्णता में रहते हैं, कई मनोवैज्ञानिक बीमारियां आप में आरंभ ही नहीं हो पाएंगी। Understand? Karma is not just the effect of incompletion. Karma can be cause for more and more incompletions. Listen. Karma cannot be just the effect of some earlier incompletions. Karma can be the source for new incompletions. Once the incompletions start, either you have to be moving towards completion or more and more incompletion. You can't just keep quiet. As I said, life is a verb, not noun. Life is happening. Either you move towards more completion or go on be creating more and more incompletions. Understand? अपूर्णता बहुत शक्तिशाली है, ना ही वो शरीर में बीमारी पैदा कर सकते हैं, आप में स्थायी मनोवैज्ञानिक बीमारी भी पैदा कर सकते हैं। कर्म केवल पिछले अपूर्णताओं का असर नहीं है, बल्कि नई अपूर्णताओं को उत्पन्न कर सकते हैं। अपूर्णता से आप या तो अपूर्णता की ओर जा सकते हैं या अपूर्णता की ओर। अपूर्णता से आप या तो पूर्णता की ओर जा सकते हैं या अपूर्णता की ओर। It is unfortunate human beings do not understand what karma can cause in you. Don't allow debt, enmity, fire, incompletions, even little bit left out. Even if little bit of fire is left out, it can grow and engulf. Even if little bit of debt is left out, it can grow and swallow all your wealth. Even little bit of enmity is left, it can grow and destroy your life. Even little bit of incompletions are left, it can grow and completely destroy you mentally. Understand? Incompletions left in any form leads to more and more incompletions and difficulty. I request all the disciples, devotees, to complete incompletions should become the first priority in the life. Completing the incompletions should be the first priority in your life. Completing the incompletions should be the first priority in your life. That should be the first thing in your life. Sometimes it is so unfortunate. We don't do first things first. We think we will find our job, we'll find our spouse, we'll find our house, then we will start incompletion. No. then we think we will start completing our incompletions. No. When you are in incompletion, you will attract wife who is in incompletion. When you are in incompletion, you will attract the house which is in incompletion. When you are in incompletion, you will attract the job in which you will not be stable. First thing you need to do is clear your inner space. Space corruption is the worst thing in the life. Space corruption is the worst thing that can happen in your life. With the corrupt space, nothing can be done. Whether you want to start building your new house, want to start a new career, want to start a new job, want to start a new life, want to start a new business, new career, anything you want to start new, I tell you, first do completion. Don't rush in making decisions. Before completion, any decision you make will be of your patterns, not of yours. Will be of your patterns, not of yours. ये बड़े दुर्भाग्य की बात है कि मनुष्य समझ नहीं पाता कि कर्म आप में क्या असर करते हैं. अग्नि, ऋण, शत्रुत्व, ये सभी थोड़ी मात्रा में भी आपको छोड़नी नहीं चाहिए. ये आप जानने से पहले ही आपको मृत्यु की ओर ले जा सकते हैं. उस तरह अपूर्णता भी थोड़ी मात्रा में भी शेष नहीं रही चाहिए. अपूर्णता आपको सीधे आपको मृत्यु की ओर ले जाएगा. अपूर्णत्व आपके जीवन के पहली परमात्मिकता होनी चाहिए. पूर्णत्व आपके जीवन की पहली परमात्मिकता होनी चाहिए. Understand? Anything with which you plan your life should be in completion. Are you using your cognition for your life? Complete the cognition. Cognition should be in completion. Are you using your mind? It should be in completion. Are you using your words? It should be in completion. Everything you use, to plan for your life should be in completion. When you are not in completion, even listening to these fiery spiritual truths, you sleep. Sometimes people ask, how do I know whether my cognition, mind, and whatever I use to plan my life is in completion or not? Yes, you will see very clearly. If powerless moments are again and again repeated in your life, you are in incompletion. If there is no powerless moments in your life throughout the day, you are in completion. That's all. पहले आपके अंतर आकाश की शुद्धि कीजिए. अशुद्ध अंतर आकाश के साथ कुछ भी संभव नहीं है. जीवन में निर्णय लेने में जल्दी ना कीजिए, पहले पूर्णत्व कीजिए, नहीं तो आपके निर्णय आपके नहीं होंगे, आपके अपूर्णता के निर्णय होंगे. जीवन में आप जिसका भी उपयोग करते हैं, आपका शरीर, आपका मन, आपका शब्द सभी पूर्णत्व की स्थिति से ही आनी चाहिए. Only one person living in completion can be inspiration for millions of people. Whoever sees him, will at least know this is possibility. One man started swimming in the water is the reason for millions of ships now floating in the ocean. When one man demonstrated swimming is possible, all other human beings had the courage. When they had the courage, they can float. Then the field of floating means today millions of ships floating has happened because one man decided to swim on the water. I tell you, today all the spiritual knowledge is available just because one man has decided to defy the power of root pattern on human mind. Because the one man has decided to live in completion. Today all the signs of completion, signs of enlightenment exist. Go on, go on, go on completing. Don't leave any being with whom you have incompletion. Reach out to everyone and complete with everyone. Because even little incompletions left can twist and pervert the way you think about you and others, the way you think about you and the world. So first thing need to be done is completion in your life before anything you start. Anything you start, you need completion. Before beginning a career, complete with everything. Before beginning building a house, complete with everything. Before beginning learning, complete with everything. Before beginning new lifestyle, complete with everything. Before beginning a spiritual practice complete with everything. Before beginning a religious ritual complete with everything. Beginning anything complete with everything. यदि शक्तिहीनता के क्षण बार बार आपके जीवन में आ रहे हैं, आप अपूर्णता में जी रहे हैं, केवल एक व्यक्ति जो पूर्णता में जी रहा है वो करोड़ों लोगों की प्रेरणा हो सकता है। जब एक व्यक्ति ने तैरना आरंभ किया, वही सभी तैराक सभी नावों का कारण है। जब एक व्यक्ति ने मूल विचारधारा का सामना कर जीवन मुक्ति पाई, उसने जीवन मुक्ति की जीवित गंगा को जन्म दिया। Knowledge about completion is the basic survival need for every human being. If you are cornered, complete. If you are confronted, complete. If you are in conflict, complete. If you are feeling powerless, complete. Every situation, first do completion. Completion is Ganesha Puja. In Hindu tradition, what we call Ganesh Puja is nothing but completion. Start everything after completion. Before beginning anything, do completion. That is why even before beginning sannyas, I tell people, take little time for completion. During completion, don't take any decision of going out of sannyas or living in sannyas. First do completion, then decide. Completion. Completion is life. When you complete, you will be in the right space to do puja, meditation, tapas, yajna, dana, everything. Everything is possible when you do completion. Everything is possible when you do completion. Understand? You do not know the power of completion. Power of completion is nothing but power of God. Whatever power of God can do, everything can be achieved just by completion. किसी भी कार्य का आरंभ करने के पहले सभी के साथ पूर्णत्व कीजिए। किसी अभ्यास के पहले, धार्मिक कार्य के पहले, व्यवसाय के पहले, हर कार्य के पहले पूर्णत्व कीजिए। यदि आप संघर्ष का अनुभव कर रहे हैं, पूर्णत्व कीजिए। यदि आप शक्तिहीनता का अनुभव कर रहे हैं, पूर्णत्व कीजिए। पूर्णत्व ही गणेश पूजा है। Before you begin the life, all Gurukul kids, listen, at least 1 year you should spend your life aiming, concentrating on completion. Because you guys will have less incompletions now. Spend next 1 year along with your education. Every day spend little time on completing with people. whoever you met in your life with whom you carry incompletions, complete, complete, complete. Completion eliminates all the powerless moments of life. Every powerless moment in your life is eliminated by completion. When you are in completion, even Lord of Death cannot kill you, because Shiva will be there to protect you, like how Markandeya is protected. When you are in completion, everything supports you in the life. Everything supports you. Everything in the nature supports you. Law of life supports you. Everything fulfills your inner space. जीवन आरंभ करने के पहले क्या कम से कम 1 वर्ष पूर्णत्व कीजिए। पूर्णत्व आपके जीवन की सभी शक्तिहीन क्षणों का विनाश करता है। जब आप पूर्णत्व में हैं, यमा भी आपको कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि भगवान आपकी रक्षा कर रहे हैं। पूर्णत्व की स्थिति में प्रकृति आपके साथ होगी, जीवन आपके साथ होगा। The essence of today's satsang: completion, completion, completion. Only when you complete, you will be able to practice the 4 principles of integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching. Only when you are complete, you will be able to see the result of these 4 principles in your life. Only when you are complete, you will be fulfilled. You will be experiencing the power of these 4 tattvas. Only when you are complete, you will have everything auspicious in your life. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share, and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.